System prompt. A system prompt is the hidden instruction that tells an AI assistant who it is, what it should do, and what rules it must follow before any user input is handled. You can think of the system prompt like a job description and company policy document that an employee reads before talking to any customers. It fixes their role, tone, and boundaries in advance. Every user message is then handled by an AI that is already primed by this background instruction, rather than improvising its identity each time. In a customer support chatbot, the system prompt might say, "You are a helpful, concise support agent for our product. Always verify the customer's account. Never reveal internal tools and escalate security issues." This single instruction quietly shapes every reply, similar to how prompt engineering steers specific responses within that overall role. System prompts matter because they are the main control surface for making large language models safer, more consistent, and aligned with a product's goals, especially when combined with techniques like prompt engineering already covered on this channel. Remember, the system prompt is the quiet first instruction that defines the AI's role before any conversation begins.